Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add aftership on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Shopify store. Once you are in, you have to go on the apps and here you have to search for aftership. Here is the aftership order tracking and SMS. You have to click on it and add this app to your Shopify store. Once it is added, you have to install this app. After installing app, you have to save all the changes. So yeah, this is how you add aftership on your Shopify store.